Fillet improvements. Fillet is used widely in industry design. Chordal Fillet is now supported in ZW3D 2024. It provides more fillet features that are more aesthetically pleasing and meet the needs of designers. To help designers create fillets on non-parallel surfaces, the Face Fillet function has also been added. Firstly, it is Chordal Fillet. A chordal fillet is a fillet whose length of the chord remains the same. Take this simple tapered cylinder as an example. Click the Fillet command, select the edge you want to round, and click OK. The normal fillet effect is as follows. Edit the Fillet feature, and select Chordal Fillet. Now, you can see that the effects of different fillets are quite different. Designers can create fillets suited to their needs. Next, we will take the hairdryer model as an example to demonstrate the specific application of Chordal Fillet in industry design. First, click Fillet and create a normal fillet. The effect is as follows. Edit the Fillet feature, select Chordal Fillet, and it will be generated. The comparison shows that the effects of different fillets are completely different. In addition, we now support Face Fillet. Take the VR glasses model as an example. You can see that there appear seams when you use the normal Fillet command on non-parallel faces. Click Face Fillet, select the support faces and tangent face, and click OK to generate a fully fitting fillet. ZW3D has now optimized the Fillet function to support Chordal Fillet and Face Fillet, to provide designers with a wider range of fillet features to meet their needs.